Hello dear friends, come near, come stay, a Christmas tale will glow today. The snow drifts soft, the stars shine bright, Bluey steps out in the frosty night. Her paws press down on glittering ground, a jingling bell makes twinkling sound. She lifts her head with eyes so wide, a Christmas rooster leaps in stride. Its antlers shine with frosty glow, its hoofs tap light on sparkling snow. Bluey gasps loud, her tail lifts high, the rooster dashes, so quick, so spry. She runs along, her breath goes fast, through snowy fields they race at last. The wind goes whoosh, the pine trees sway, their laughter rings through night's ballet. The rooster leaps, the stars all cheer, Bluey keeps close, her heart sincere. She jumps with joy, her paws take flight, she catches reins in the silver night. The rooster slows, its breath so warm, a gentle friend with kindly form. Bluey just hugs, her giggles grow, their friendship blooms in Christmas snow. Come join our cheer, come laugh, come stay, subscribe for love in every day. Each tale we share brings dreams anew, a world of joy we gift to you. They circle round, the bells go ding, the rooster hums a carol to sing. Bluey claps paws, her voice rings too, the sky turns bright with carols true. The moon climbs high, the breeze turns mild, the snowy ground feels soft and wild. They rest together, calm and near, their hearts are warm, the night sincere. The stars blink down, the world feels slow, a lullaby hums through drifting snow. Bluey curls close, her eyes grow deep, the rooster guards her gentle sleep. So hush, dear friends, let peace drift through, we'll meet again with tales for you. Come back for play, adventures true, and Bluey loves you too.